Assalamu alaikum. If you are a coach would like to launch your online course, then this video will save your time and wallet as well. Do you know 90% of e-learning business owner fall down within their first 3 months? Isn't it interesting? Do you know why it is happen? Just because of they don't know exactly how to do it. They have great idea about content and courses, but they don't plan about sells the courses, make the funnel, and make the perfect platform for choosing their website hosting. So if you don't want to be like them, then there is a three mistake you should have to avoid. First mistake is everyone is doing, which is they don't follow the exact rule of making an e-learning website. So I would like to clear you. Okay, here is the ultimate course launch toolkit that is totally free for you. So you can come across to this beautiful creation of mine. That is 8 years of experience. I have writing this for you. So here have the clear instruction for tutor or coaches, so you can know exactly which is the platform, what is the pricing, monetization, and lead magnet, all the information that you need to create your online website course content. And it is absolutely free. Just you can come across to my website and then download this beautiful creation. The clear transformation about making an e-learning website and making an e-learning courses, which dream exactly sells for your business ethics. So I would like to share a few insights about the top mistakes that make everyone fall down their businesses. The number one reason is that they don't know exact path of why their course will impact their student before and after result. So this is the biggest mistake. You have to make something visual that student relate. If I complete this course, then this is the result I expecting from it. So you have to make this sequence to make your courses. Second mistake, the wrong platform. Coaches are often go to Kajabi, Teachable, and other platforms. But you know what happened? You don't know you own the platform. You own the system. So the expenses are really high, and sometimes it's broken and then not manageable things. So you have to choose the best platform. From my experience, and if I recommend you which is the best platform, then I would like to say that WordPress with Tutorial MS and LearnDash is the best platform for tutors or coaches to make their own platform. So why? This is really flexibility, because you own the platform. It grows up when you are doing the courses, and there is no limitless. There is no boundary to make your website greater every day. The common third mistake is no sales system integrated. So you should have to create a proper marketing system to sell your courses. You have to write a lead magnet. You have to prepare for a email sequences like a series email. You have to write a proper segmentation of your course content, and then a strong landing page and easy checkout pages. So these things are really important for making online course to be sales. And then the most important things, you know, that you should not just create the website. You should have to find a real problem and then fix that problem in that way that no one else doing right away. I work with Mr. Barker's classroom. He is a genuine content creator about kids learning in UK. But The system was not integrated properly. My integration on that platform is to make a real solution for a problem and then make a proper segmentation of the website, content, and landing pages, and then social media. And then the sales funnel is work like a pro. People are coming to the website and they are making decision to purchase the courses. So over the last 8 years, I'm doing these things. I have helped over 300 plus coaches and trainer to make their website and make their course platform that actually drives sales. So if you want to do the same thing for you, uh, don't waste your time anymore. Contact with me. I put together in a free resource on my website, which is ahmedkawsar.com. You can download the toolkit. This is ultimate guideline for a course creator. So you will know exactly which platform you have to choose, what is the pricing strategy and platform to choose. So download this free resources, and then you will know the exact things how to make these things happen for you. I'm always here for you. Stay tuned and comment below your idea. I will make it happen for you. Thank you.